Alright, how's it going everyone? So in this video here, I'm going to show you how to debloat Windows 11 or other operating systems that you're using. This will be really beneficial to help you gain some more FPS if you like overclocking and whatnot, same as me doing benchmarks and that for hardwarebot.org. What you're going to want to do is debloat your Windows operating system. Doesn't matter again what it is. Right now, I'm currently on Windows 11, and I'm going to show you how to debloat it. So the first step you're going to want to do is go down, and you're going to want to type in Windows PowerShell. So you're going to see Windows PowerShell here, and you're going to want to right click that, run that as administrator. Yes, it's fine. Next off, in the link down below, I will have a copy paste. So you just copy and paste this, and this will automatically download Windows PowerShell for Windows Debloat. So right here, this is the script that you need to do for it, and all you just got to do is press enter. It will automatically download and open up this window here, and this is Windows 11 Debloat. So you just want to click on start. Now, you don't want to do every single thing unless you're kind of like me and want to do the best overclockability for benchmarks that you can. Uh, this is for apps right here, and you want to click on select default apps. That's all you want to do. Another one you could do is Bing search right here as well. That's not a bad one to do to keep calculator, camera, and all of that just in case you use those. Don't click on those. But this right here will automatically get rid of everything. The HP experience, you can get rid of them, but you could have some issues down the line. So again, select default apps is one of the better ways to do it. Microsoft Edge too, it's another one where it could cause issues for you if you're just using this for a daily PC. So don't click on that. But I do every single thing basically, and that's how I do it. Now you're going to want to click after that, you want to click next. This right here is all for your system tweaks. And then all you can do is again, select default settings. So these are the default settings here. And you can do more if you want to debloat it some more. So that way you have more performance, just snap your overall, better scores, better FPS in games as well. So you just gotta click next. We'll read remove 90 selected applications. Yes, Windows 11 has a lot of bloat, so that's just basic 90. Generally, when I do this, it's about 150 applications. It's just absolutely wild. So this does help out a lot. So you want to do a create a system restore point, restart the file Windows Explorer process to apply changes immediately. Uh, I will not be doing that in this video here, but that's what you do basically. So that way it's instantaneous, get better. But best to restart your PC afterwards just to make sure it's working properly. And you just click apply changes. So we're going to watch this here. It's just going to do everything. It'll be attempting to remove so much, and then it'll start doing everything that you've already clicked on. And then that's it. All changes have been applied. Please check the output above for any errors. Disabling everything says successfully. So perfect. That's what we want. And then all you want to do after the fact is close Windows 11 debloat. That's all you need to do. And as you can see here, it's all the way back to the command prompt for Windows PowerShell. And that's all you need to do. And you just exit that out, and that's it. So hopefully this helps you out for quick bloating of your PC, especially if you're building a new PC. Run this scan tool. Get rid of all the debloat, and it'll automatically make your PC a lot better right off the bat. And then you can do this later down the road. Let's say a year later, some more things might get added to Windows 11 or whatever else, whatever operating system you are using, and you just rerun this. And yeah, that's the best way to debloat, the easiest way to debloat, and hopefully this helps you out. Again, thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, and donators. You guys are awesome. That's it for this video here. Again, hopefully it helped you out. And again, as always, don't forget to get her done. Peace.